Hey, hey, hey.
What's going on, YouTube? Hey, this is your boy Tech Savvy. Hey, I'm this Saturday afternoon, well, almost Saturday night, roughly about 6 or 7 o'clock. Taking DEATHSTROKE out, making sure that everything is good to go when I put it back together. As of this morning, I am complete with installing the Rollin Eyes on DEATHSTROKE, and I'm telling you, it turned out pretty decent. So tonight at nightfall, I'll be stepping back out and letting you all see exactly how it, exactly what it looks like. And after I make that video, starting tomorrow, if my stuff come in, I'll be working on the interior of DEATHSTROKE, and then after that, I'll be going through and adding all the little extras for the competition. Now, I won't be showing you all that portion of the video. It's just a surprise for when I enter the contest or enter any contest. I always got to keep my competition on alert and don't show them everything that I'm bringing to the table. But I will show you all the Rollin Eyes light set tonight, full blast of the front, the back, the side, the undercoating, and the wheels. It'll be all running together. I didn't have time to make a scheme for it, so I went on and pulled Black Flash, my gold wing. I went on to pull it color scheme, the one that has won the last 4 national competitions for the light show at Wingding. I'll be running that show on DEATHSTROKE tonight, so you all can get familiar, so you all can see exactly how the Rollin Eyes work, no matter how you install them. You just be creative, and like I said, you'll be unique from everybody else. Now, there's one thing I want to say about the Rollin Eyes. Most people have been asking me where you get them from. The shop that actually make the Rollin Eyes is called EagleMart. The owner is Tom Sawyer. That information will be also in the description on the link to where you can actually buy the Rollin Eyes. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. The installation, if you take it to any installer that's not familiar with these eyes, I don't care what type of electrician they're calling themselves to be, or what type of stereotype of person they're claiming to be. If they are not familiar with these overseas lights that I am using on my vehicles, then they can easily mess up something. And like I said, they have to know about the Rollin Eyes product itself. So make sure whoever you have installed it, go back and look at all the instructions on what is connected, where it goes, whole nine yards. You know, just don't go take it to some electrical shop and thinking they're going to be able to install it, because they're not. The original instructions, I believe, was in another language. They switched it over on their website to English. It's a pretty decent instructional video, instructions for us reading it. And if you really want to go through and see how it's done, because I didn't make an instructional video for DEATHSTROKE, but I did do it on Black Flash, my gold wing. It seemed like the more I do for how-to videos, people are not interested, and the reason I say that is because those videos do not get much views on it. But if you guys want me to make an instructional video on how to install the Rollin Eyes, I already did the wiring kit. If you want me to actually show you how I installed mine on my Slingshot, then leave a comment in the comment section below. Say, hey man, go ahead and make that video. I want to see how you did it. This is, you know, I'll go ahead and do it, but it has to be enough people to say, hey, go ahead and make that video in order for me to do it. Other than that, I'm gonna walk you around Deathstroke so you can see what it looked like in the daytime. Like I said in one of my previous videos, if you're installing LEDs on your vehicle and it looks ugly in the daytime, then it's going to be pretty crappy at night. So I'm going to walk you all around Deathstroke so you can see exactly what it looks like in the daytime. So when you see it tonight, you're going to be like, you know, I didn't know it could do that. So let me walk y'all around right quick. All right. On the front of the Slingshot is what it looked like. These are my LEDs in the front. That's a 70 LED, 70. I think those are 236s. In the hood itself, there's another 70. There's a 70. And then on the ends right here, you have 70, 70, 70, 70. The ones in the middle, I do not have them connected. For the simple fact, I didn't want to actually make an outline of this Slingshot. To me, that's called Christmas tree in your vehicle. So I put it in different places to show you exactly how it worked, what it looked like, and it still gives you the same effect or the same illusion of following the vehicle, but it's not all over the vehicle. And at some point I can go back in and just switch the wiring in my to my controllers, and if I want to run those lights in the middle, then all I got to do is just connect them in my from my luggage rack right there, and connect them to the trailer. At the doorway, I have, I think that is a 48 LED. My underside here is not undercarriage, it's just on the side. I think I got two 70s under that. From my back going to the brake light, I got a 70 coming down, a 70 going across. I got I think that's a 48, but it's not connected, with a 70. My saddlebags are 70, and I think the end back here were for my tags. I think those are 48s. I'm giving y'all these numbers because these are the number of LEDs that's in that flexible strip. And I did that all the way around. I don't have any LEDs on the top. I got some hidden. And like I said, those are the LEDs that's going to catch people off guard because they wasn't expecting it. They didn't know it was there, so I got some hidden too. And then with the interior that's coming in tomorrow is Sunday, but it's a special order that's coming in for the interior lighting. They'll be the ones that when I turn my stereo on, they'll be vibrating. I don't know if I'm gonna go that far with it, but I do need a little bit more lighting on the inside. And then I have my actual undercarriage lights coming in tomorrow also. Those will be the ones that'll be, you can see on the street, you know, reflecting off the street. And the hood, I'm gonna surprise y'all with the hood. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm doing to the hood, but it's gonna be off the chain. But like I said, I'm not gonna show you guys that portion of my install because I have to keep my competition off. You know, I can't let them know what I'm bringing to the table. Because if you do that and they not showing me what they bringing, then I'm gonna get caught off guard because they gonna match what I'm doing and then overdo it, do more than me, and end up probably trying to take a competition. Even though I do this for fun, I enjoy showing off my work because that's what I'm doing, showing off my work. It's still a competition, so I'm gonna show you how I do stuff, but I'm not gonna show you everything I'm bringing to the table when I enter a contest. All right. Now, as far as what next contest I'm gonna, try to enter in, I don't know yet. Right now, this is just something I'm fixing up for later luck. As you can see, she's on the driver's side. Even though it's my vehicle, I actually put this together so when I pull a black flash back out and get it back up and going, then she can come out and jump in Deathstroke and ride with me. I ain't got to worry about her sitting on the back seat, on the back of my Goldwing, when she can have a vehicle she can ride around with me as we ride around town and stuff. I was gonna try to probably do a night drive, but later luck came in late last night. She's back from overseas, and I don't want to take a chance on her driving when I know she's still probably dealing with the time lapse or the different time, having her coming out trying to drive the vehicle. So I'll probably wait another week and take both Deathstroke and Black Flash out at night so y'all can see exactly what Deathstroke look like, because y'all familiar with Black Flash already. Other than that, y'all stay tuned. Tonight I add that video on it to show the display for Deathstroke, and I add it to this video so it'll be one complete video. As far as looks, I don't think I did too bad of a job of taking away of what it looked like in the daytime, so I think I did somewhat pretty decent. Like I said, I'm not into Christmas trend, going through every angle and putting every light on every little angle of the vehicle. I try to come up with a creative design to show off what I'm actually doing and make it look good at the same time. So it won't be extreme, but you're gonna know Deathstroke when you see it. I'll put it like that. Not bragging, I just know how I do things. Other than that, y'all stay tuned for the night. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
hey, hey, hey.